So I'm having my first meal of the day. It's about noon, and I'm having salad with chicken and blueberries and Parmesan cheese and uh, ranch dressing, and I'm having keto coffee. I think that's what they call it. Coffee with butter in it, and I added a pack of stevia. And I wanted to mention, I've been on keto now for about 2 weeks, and I have not woken up from arthritis pain in over a week now. I am amazed at what this is doing for me. Not only have I lost weight, I don't have a scale, but I'm guessing I've lost somewhere between 7 and 10 pounds in 2 weeks. And my inflammation is gone. I have slept so good in the last, I started noticing a difference after about a week, and no pain, no pain. I mean, I'm blown away. This is something I have to do for the rest of my life, because you wouldn't believe how much my life has improved in the last week. Okay, bye. Did the whole thing yourself?
It's a 2014 Sprinter that I bought brand new, and just an empty cargo van, and I insulated it, and I found out how to insulate it on YouTube, but I didn't know about any of the build-out stuff, so I built it out, and I've redone it like 4 times.
Oh yeah, it's a never-ending project.
It's a never-ending process. It's still a process of work. And,
yeah.
you know.
So let's see it.
Oh, come on over here.
This is Karen. She's driving by, and she's got kitties. We love the oh my goodness gracious.
So come on in.
Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh.
I got solar last year, so I got a Dometic freezer fridge.
Kitty,
and,
can I share your seat with you for half a second? I'm just sit on the edge, right there. Oh, honey.
But I just did my laundry, so things are
Oh
kinda...
my gosh, you guys, look at this. She did this herself.
Well, I was a paper hanger, and I did upholstered walls. So I bought all this fabric, and after I got my insulation done, I covered all the walls with fabric. And then what I had left over, I used for the doors, because I need color, you know.
It is so pretty. Now, that curtain right there, is that a pantry or a hanging clothes closet?
Yeah, that's my hanging clothes. Here, let me get my laundry out of the way.
Oh, this is incredible.
But these are kitchen towel bags.
Oh, okay, right.
So I got 2 of those, and they just close it off.
Oh, the ladies are going to love this.
Shoes.
Oh my, I cannot believe you did this yourself.
And I just used these little butterfly things. I mean, I did everything so cheaply that, and here's all my clothes.
Oh my gosh, this is like being at home. I mean,
Well,
a real home.
I mean, I've lived in it 4 years, so this is
Have you really?
Yeah, I have a sewing machine under there.
Wow.
And then I'll see all these storage boxes that I got at quartzsite at the store, so all my games and toys and stuff like that. And then this goes down to cover it up. There's Snickers.
Hi, Snickers.
Don't try to pet him.
No. Hi, baby.
Look, his ears are down. He's
That
going,
means-
don't come any
Don't
closer.
come any closer.
Yeah. But all of these bottoms are lateral file drawers.
Oh, wow.
And I put these little things on to hold them shut, and a little screw for it to sit on. So, you know, they're just amazing how much stuff you can get in these.
Okay, yeah.
And so I've got, this is underwear,
And
my
socks
library.
and books.
Yeah, all that kind of stuff is in there. And this is, well, that's my curtain I close across the window at night. But here's my trash bin and laundry supplies, extra bags, shower supplies, that kind of stuff. Down here, well, I put this up here when I'm, you know, riding. I mean, I put it on the floor when I'm riding, but
Right.
this goes up here.
Okay, right. There's your
That's
faucet.
Well, not really. This is my faucet.
Oh, you have an actual
This
faucet.
is a backpack sprayer from Harbor Freight. I paid $18 for it. And I put a bungee cord on it so I can pump it like this, and then I've got running water in my
Oh
sink.
my gosh, that is amazing.
And it uses so little water, and that way you got both hands, because I started out with one of those little
Yes,
hand crank pump
yes.
things, and they don't, you put one hand under, then, you know,
Right, right.
and that didn't last really long. So this way I've got running water, and it doesn't use very much water at all. That 4 gallons can last me a month.
Nice.
So.
Do you use vinegar at all, or just soap and water?
Just soap and water. And I've got it in a little spray bottle, so I mix the dish soap with water.
Oh, there you go.
So it doesn't use a lot of soap, and it's easy to rinse off. And then my sink drains into this is a mop bucket that, you know, double, and I cut it in half. But my sink drains into this.
And it's
So
not
don't
too,
have
it's only a couple gallons, so it doesn't
Yeah.
break your back when you take it out to empty it.
Right, exactly. And then this is my dishes.
Oh, yeah.
And my stove. I've got 2 stoves. I've got the little, you know, the little stove that uses the butane.
Uh-huh.
And then down there I've got
A propane one?
no, a electric induction cooktop.
Oh, okay. And how much solar do you have?
520 watts.
Okay. And how much battery?
I've got 2 lithium.
Oh, 100 each?
There's 200.
200 each. So you have a lot of power. That's nice.
A lot of power.
And you have an ARB?
It's a Dometic.
Dometic?
And it's a freezer.
Oh, freezer and refrigerator.
refrigerator.
Oh, you went all out.
I know.
I regret not doing that.
I just nearly cried when I got this and found out how much food I could put in it. I can have ice cream, I can have ice.
Ice is
can
my
have
thing. I wish I had ice.
Frozen meat, because I've gone keto.
Me
The
too!
way I eat, really?
I am doing keto.
I
You
love
would
it.
not believe what a difference. I've only been doing it 2 weeks. I've lost probably 7 to 10 pounds, and I haven't woken up from arthritis in a week
My
now.
arthritis is gone.
Gone. It is
Absolutely.
amazing, incredible.
And I've lost 30 pounds.
Oh, good for
I've
you.
got 20 to go. But from the holidays, I've been, you know, well, quote unquote cheating, but it's not cheating. I'm just eating a little different things.
Eating more.
And and I've been drinking some wine. And you know,
And keto, and wine is keto friendly
but I
if you
haven't
don't
gained
have
any
to.
weight. I
There
have
you
not
go.
gained. I've got
Nice.
out my scale and weighed myself, and I have not gained any weight. So I'm thrilled with it.
Yeah.
Absolutely thrilled. But then, okay, because these are lower and my sink was up here, I drilled holes in the top of the cabinet for the water to drain, but then I had the space to take up, so I built drawers.
Oh, I am so impressed. You are amazing.
Well, you know what my
Jeez.
attitude is? If some stupid hairy man can do it, I can do it.
Stupid hairy man. She has a microwave. See, it's been so long since I've used one, I forgot what it was called.
When I got my solar in, because I had enough power, I can do a microwave and lights.
And what? Pure sine wave inverter.
That way I can run my induction cooktop, my microwave, all this
Nice.
stuff.
Wow. I'm slowly getting solar. I'm getting 200 watts installed right as we
Aw.
speak.
I love it.
And I'll add to it as I go.
Well, see, I plan on living in this thing. This is a Sprinter, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and people have gotten 1 million miles out of them, which means I can keep riding in this thing till I die. I'm
Yeah.
planning on living to 104.
You're really tempting me to look at other alternatives because look at, we're standing up, you guys.
Yeah, look,
Standing up.
I'm 5'4",
Me too.
and I've got all this, so I could even put stuff up here. I could put a paddleboard or canoe or something, you know, stuff.
If
up
I
there.
had, oh man, yep, high top envy.
Yeah, and what else can I show you that's different and unique? Well, I have the cat litter box here.
Okay.
I got kitties.
Yep.
So I have to have the cat litter box. I don't have any water storage tanks. I don't have any holding tanks or anything like that. So my water's in 1 gallon bottles.
Mm-hmm.
And then here I've got the small bottles. And
Oh,
more
for
1
drinking,
gallons.
okay.
These kind of things for
Yeah.
drinking water. And
Kitty's food.
kitty stuff. I have a Olympian wave heater,
That's what people
And,
have been telling me I need.
1 gallon propane tank in the back.
Now is that 12 volt or the Olympian?
This is propane.
Propane, okay.
Yeah. It's like a Mr. Buddy.
Except
It's
better.
smaller and and better, more efficient, and then I've got a, what do you call that, a towel bar?
A towel bar,
Yeah.
yeah.
I've got a towel bar up, and like I did laundry, so I hang my wet things up here in towels, and they dry here. Here's my shower. It's a pan, and then a Helio. You know, are you familiar with the Helio sprayer?
I've heard of it.
Okay, let me get it out and show it to you, because...
And do you do it outside, or do you have a drain? You have a drain in here?
No, I use this.
Oh, okay, so it just goes into there? And...
Right. So I have shower curtains that I hang up across there, and that's what all those hooks are for, is either my nightshade or my shower curtain. And this is the Helio. Now this thing cost me like $100, but it's so great because it holds a lot of water, and I'll put water in it, and I'll heat water and put the hot water in it until I get it the temperature I want. And then you've got a foot pump that you use to pump it up. So you pump it up with a foot pump, and then this is tall, long enough to get over your head. And
so do you put this outside?
no, I put it right there.
Right here on the floor?
Yeah. I put a towel down, so if anything splashes, it gets caught on the towel.
Okay.
And then I just dump the water out of there.
There you go. Oh my gosh, I'm just so impressed.
And what's great about this is that it folds down into the size. See the size of this ring? This whole thing compresses into that size.
Nice.
So it's not like one of those pump-up sprayers that takes all the space. You know, it takes all the space out.
Right. I may have to look into that.
I've ordered it through Amazon, I believe.
And I like that it's a foot pump and not something that has to be charged.
Yes. Yeah. I believe in the KISS principle. You know,
keep it simple.
Stupid. So like I say, I don't have big water tanks. I don't have big holding tanks. I get rid of my wastewater as soon as I can and don't accumulate it. Because you know, everything is a learning process.
Right.
And my first container that I had under my sink, I just had like a 5-gallon container with a spigot on the bottom. I thought that would work pretty good. The problem is that all of the crap that comes out of your sink, the crud that when you wash dishes and stuff, goes in the bottom, and it doesn't completely drain out. And then within 3 days it stinks.
Stinks, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I don't use water for dishes. I just use the vinegar thing. And then I don't have like a gray tank.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a sink with a drain in it, but I rarely use it.
Well, I just bought this chair. This cool. It's a rocking chair.
Oh yeah, with the
pistons, so you rock back and forth.
Yeah, nice.
So it works on
nice.
the rocks. And this goes behind my seat. I just haven't.
Yeah.
I was using it, so.
Thank you for showing me, Karen. This is so nice.
You haven't seen it all yet.
Oh, I haven't?
My garage.
Oh, you have a garage. I love garages.
You aren't going to believe this garage.
Holy moly.
I have a 10-foot ladder back there.
You guys.
Here's building supplies.
This woman is incredible.
Here's, what do you call it? Briquettes. I have a barbecue. I have my 1-gallon paint tank for my heater. And of course I have paint because I've milled everything, and so I have to paint it and touch it up. Here's my batteries for my solar, the controller, my inverter. And I have a beach buggy, so when I want to do laundry at a campground, I can put it in there and wheel it up. I even have an ironing board because underneath my bed I have a sewing machine and sewing supplies.
Right.
Sewing.
That's awesome.
Then I have hand tools, and in my power tools I have a drill, multi-tool, cut-off grinder, angle grinder, and a jigsaw. And that's what I do everything with.
Wow.
And, you know, stuff. Anybody who has a garage
has stuff.
Extra hinges.
I have stuff. I don't have a garage, but I have a garage bucket.
Nuts and bolts and screws. Paint.
So do you mostly boondock?
Yes.
And
90% of my time.
do you spend most of your winter months in Arizona, or do you travel around the country?
I've been on the road 4 years, and I just go all over the country. The first 2 years, I just boogied. I wanted to see the whole country. I've only got 3 states I haven't been to. And it was like, okay, I've this year I had some medical things I needed to do, so I spent about 4 months at my sister's in Illinois. And then I wanted to have some teeth work done, and so I went down to Progresso to have that done. And then I wanted to come out here to the RTR and the RV show, so I boogied out here. Now I got to go back to Progresso to have them finish my
Now,
teeth.
what's Progresso?
It's a little town in Mexico, right across the border where you get dental work and all. It's like El Gadones.
And where is that out of?
Texas.
Oh, in Texas.
It's near
Okay.
McAllen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very
But
cool.
I've got a 15 amp wire, and I also put in 30 amp, so that's up there. So I've got a 15 amp plug-in on that side, and a plug-in on this side.
Don't need no stinky men.
No, don't need no stinking men for nothing. I put these windows in, and they open.
Look
so I can
at
get
you
ventilation.
guys. Look at that. She installed these windows.
I installed the big ones on the sides too.
Oh, so it came with no windows?
You know, it's kind of like I told you, some very big, and I just have learned to use YouTube now.
Yeah.
See how to do stuff.
Yeah, you can learn everything on YouTube. Look at, she put those windows in. I am so impressed. I'm in love with it.
Anybody can do it.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid to screw up and make a mess. So if I do something and I make a mess, you just do it over. Do it right. Because you learn by making a mess
Right.
what you did wrong.
Right.
Like I said, I rebuilt it like 4 times because I was like, oh, this was a good idea, but it didn't work. No, it didn't work. So I did the 101 in California.
Mm-hmm.
I had open shelves up above at that time. Every bit of that was on the floor.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
By the time I got done with that. So
Yeah.
it's like, okay, gotta have closed
Doors. Yep.
So you learn.
Yes.
Yes, I'm not afraid to mess it up.
Right. Thank you so much. Oh, let's look at it says Hot Balloons Freedom Machine.
I'm a geocacher, so Hot Balloon is my geocaching name.
Oh, okay.
I have a, oops. No, this is okay to see. Yeah, that's okay to see. I was thinking my travel bugs. No, this is a travel bug that if you see my truck, you can log it and say where you saw it.
Oh, I've never heard of that.
Travel bugs?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can find them in caches.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks so
You're
much.
very welcome. Nice to run into you.
Yeah, you too. Look how beautiful this is. I just got my 200 watts of solar installed by a friend and a charge controller, and I moved my battery to the back. We have a fuse panel but haven't hooked that up yet because today is not a good weather day. It's windy and cold and rained, so he already worked on it for, I'm gonna guess, let's see, 5 hours. So sorry, I'm concentrating. I'm getting to my camp and trying to figure out how I'm gonna get in. Kitty's on the dashboard. She has never ridden on the dashboard before, so I'm going really slow so she doesn't freak out.